The second law of cosines problem that we had to do, again, just like the first one, we start off by writing in our information. So we start with what they gave us. They gave us 106 degrees for angle B, A is 28, and C is 30. Okay, now again, this is the side, angle, side. You can see it side, angle, side right here. So I got to start off by finding side B. So this is the first thing I need to find. Okay, so B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2 times A times C times the cosine of angle B. So B equals 28 squared plus 30 squared minus 2 times 28 times 30 times the cosine of 106. And you take the square root of all that. So B equals 46.3364 yada yada yada. So this side is 46.3. Okay. Now, if we switch to law of sines, because we have a ratio, we need to start with angle A first, because that's our smaller side length. Okay. I don't really have to worry about it because I already have an obtuse angle, but that's where I'm going to start, just for consistency. So sine of 106 over 46.3 equals the sine of A over 28. So that means that angle A is going to be equal to sine negative 1. It's going to be 28 times the sine of 106 over 46.3, which is approximately 35.51152 blah blah blah, which means this is 35.5 degrees. And again, because we have two angles, subtract them from 180, and that means angle C is 38.5 degrees. And always double check to make sure that your solutions make sense, and they do. So smallest side is 28, smallest angle. Biggest side length, biggest angle. And 30 and 28 aren't very different, so notice their angles aren't very different. 38.5 versus 35.5. So our angles make sense. Always double check.